My friends, this is Kasai Bridge, and this Kasai Bridge stands on Kasai River, which is located very near to Khirai railway station of Paschim Medinipur in West Bengal of India. This is four-wheeler stand which is located very near to Khirai railway station. My friends, this four-wheeler vehicle I have boarded up for my destination of Khirai Flower Garden, and I have given the fare of rupees 20. My friends, this road is up and down, but I am feeling very excited. My friends, now I have short excursion which is barely to dodge the stressful ordinary life. This day in the Vale of Flowers Khirai will leave you lofty in the fields of countryside. My friends, my friends, this popular destination is famous amongst the few where you may find the majority of the people from the nearest districts of Bengal. The main attraction is the vast acreage of farmland cultivated with varieties of flowers. The fragrance of the untouched countryside with warm-hearted people greets you with absolute adoration. Though this place does not have any hill or valley, but this place is known as Bengal's Valley of Flowers. It is situated on the bank of Kangsabati River, which later merges in the Bay of Bengal. So, my friends, let's spend a day in the field with outburst colors of flowers. If you love flower, then you have no option except Khirai Flower Garden, and this is the time from Khirai Flower Garden. My friends, see vast areas of land, flower garden in Khirai. My friends, now I am telling you how to reach here. The Valley of Flower is well connected by roads and railways. The farmland is located in Purbo Medinipur district between Khirai railway station and Panchkula railway station. It is easily accessible by local trains from Kolkata at regular intervals. It takes around 2 hours from Howrah to reach this destination. From Khirai railway station, it takes 30 to 40 minutes of a walk along the narrow lane beside the railway track. My friends, now I am telling you the best time to visit Khirai. During winter season, the production of flowers increase, and this is the best time to witness the blooming flowers. From the months of December to February is the peak season when the flowers are at full bloom. The increase in the level of pollution has affected the countryside, which is a desperate time for the farmer. It is our respect to give the apples to our farmers for producing some of the best flowers in our country. My friends, sudden plans always come up with more energy and excitement. Taking a short break from the city on a lazy Sunday is not a bad idea. My friends, I have always been fond of vibrant colors and the place that I am about to go. I am about to move and I am about to travel, and I am now on planning of going to Vale of Flowers. Khirai attracted me while traveling by train long time ago. A vast field covered by marigold flowers has always appeared to me like a trailer each time while crossing the field. So finally, I have made up my mood to explore the cinematic field of flowers. My friends, the main occupation of the people living here is the farming, and very few are interested in city life. After 2 minutes of walk from the station, I met a humble lady who guided me through narrow lanes beside the railway track and also told me the best route to reach the Vale of Flowers. Khirai. So generous behavior is uncommon to see in these urban areas. My friends, 30 minutes of walk along the trail, I have felt like Kasai River or Pangsaboti River is treating me, an anonymous petal being pulled towards the land of flowers. After exploring for a few hours from one field to another, leisurely the sun was at the horizon. I bought a few saplings of marigold from this Khirai flower garden. My friends, now I am sharing my personal experiences with all of you. Bengal's countryside is well portrayed by the poets as a shy bride with a veil covering her beautiful teenage face. The farms of Panchkuda and Khirai are the best illustrations of poet's mood. The farm produces some of the best ornamental flowers. My friends, Khirai is easily accessible from Kolkata. Khirai by train is a good option for many. Khirai by road is a 2 hours drive from Kolkata to Panchkuda, and then a 10 minutes diversion through the village to reach these farmlands near the railway bridge Khirai. My friends, winter season is the best season when Khirai blooms to her full glory. Known as the Valley of Flowers of West Bengal, these farmlands are like a picnic destination for the local people. In the recent years, this place has gained huge popularity, attracting visitors from Kolkata, West Bengal, and various areas of India. My friends, these farmlands located along with the Kongsabati river banks glitter like pearls of a necklace in the winter haze of the afternoon sun. My friends, I have reached here quite early before the crowds come in. The entire landscape is dotted with flowers and a railway bridge running arrow straight through the landscape. For the farmers who toil in these farms, Khirai flower cultivation represents months of dedication and hard work to make something bloom with nature for all the travelers, for all the visitors.
My friends,
Khirai Flower Garden. This is the memorable time in our life, and now we have got our very good friends. My friends, now we are seeing off the Khirai Flower Garden. Right? Thank you. My friends, all of you know that now I am in Khirai Flower Garden, and this Khirai Flower Garden is located by the bank of Kasai River, and where you will find the Kasai Bridge, which stands on the river of Kasai. My friends, after coming here, I am really confused which flower I will take and which flower I will not take, because flower, every flower is beautiful. You cannot imagine unless or until you will come to Khirai railway station, and from Khirai railway station you may walk down the main road for 15 minutes. Then you will reach the Khirai Flower Garden. Otherwise, there is transportation option. If you will come by four-wheeler, then you have to pay rupees 20. My friends, this is the memorable time in my life that I am traveling now. The Khirai Flower Garden. Flower. Different types of flower are available here at very cheap rate. If you are interested to decorate any kind of celebration, then from long way, I think you may take some time to reach here, but this is the correct place from where you can get the flower at very cheap rate or at very low cost. My friends, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, because your subscription will motivate me to make a lot of videos. Thank yous. Thank yous. Okay, my friends.
okay.